Welcome to our comprehensive Binance tutorial. Binance is one of the world's leading cryptocurrency platforms, offering a wide range of tools for both beginners and experienced traders. When you land on the Binance homepage, you'll find an intuitive interface with options for market trading, futures trading, and staking your crypto assets to earn rewards. Binance registration process is straightforward. Click Sign up, enter your email and password, and complete identity verification to secure your account. Once inside, explore the dashboard where you can access wallet balances, market trends, and trading tools. Navigate to the spot market to trade major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT, or delve into advanced features like margin trading for leveraged trades. For passive income seekers, Binance Earn offers staking services, allowing you to lock in your crypto and earn yields over time. Stablecoins like USDT are a popular choice for this feature, offering flexibility and steady returns. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Security is paramount on Binance, with features like two-factor authentication, withdrawal address whitelisting, and anti-phishing codes to protect your account. For newcomers, Binance Learn section provides educational resources to help you understand blockchain, trading strategies, and crypto markets. Don't miss the mobile app, which replicates all platform features for seamless trading on the go. To get started, fund your account by navigating to Fiat in Spot and choosing from multiple deposit options, including bank transfers, credit cards, and peer-to-peer trading. Once your funds are loaded, you're ready to explore everything Binance has to offer. Whether you're looking to trade, stake, or learn, Binance provides the tools and resources to empower your crypto journey. Hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on notifications for more crypto tutorials and tips.